particular way. That means it resulted in a particular way. And what here happened? He turned out to be a German named Lozlang. That means this time when this boy was hitting the pit, nearly covering the distance, equaling the world record, Jesuits got interested towards him. Definitely he would have inquired, he definitely would have asked to other persons about the identity of that athlete, and then what he came to know, he knew about the person that he was a German. Check here, suppose you are there, check, Jesse Owens actually came from America to Germany. There he was the hero in the, so far as long jump event is concerned, because 1 year before he set the world record by covering the longest of the distance. And he had set the world record. That's why definitely he was one celebrity. That means he was so famous. And now there in the practice round, so far as long jump event is concerned, what he found? He found that one newcomer he was, one young man he was, and he was in the practice round, he was covering the distance of 26 feet, quite nearing the world record. So he got interested to know about the identity of that person, and now he asked about his identity, and by asking he got to know about him. He knew that he was one German. He was one German. German means the people of Germany are called German. He was a German named Lozlang. So now he got to know that that newcomer who was in the practice round, who was covering the distance quite equaling the world record of 26 feet, his name was Lozlang, and he was a German by nationality. I was told means some others told Jesse Owens that Hitler had kept him under wraps. Under wraps means secret. Under wraps means secret. That means Adolf Hitler kept him secret. He did not make the world community know about about Lozlang and his credibility and his athleticism and his that means how he was a capable athlete. Actually Adolf Hitler kept him secret, kept his identity secret, kept Lozlang's athleticism, kept Lozlang's athletic skill a secret. He did not let the world community know about the athletic skill of Lozlang. Evidently hooping, evidently means clearly understood. Evidently means clearly understood. So evidently, that means it is clearly understood that he was hoping, he means Adolf Hitler, hoping he would win the jump. He means here Lozlang. So now it has been mentioned that when Jesse Owens found that one newcomer was there, in the practice rounds only he was covering the distance of 26 feet, quite equaling the world record, he was amazed, he was shocked, and then he started inquiring about the identity of that person, and then he got to know that he was one German, his name was Lozlang, and despite having such type of athleticism, despite having such type of amazing athletic skill, he was not allowed to participate in any world class events. Why? Because Adolf Hitler kept him secret. He had some evil intention that he would field Lozlang directly in the Olympics, and then he would win with the gold medal. That means he would win the gold medal. Check here, in those days and nowadays things are different. Nowadays you cannot keep the identity of one athlete secret and directly you can let him participate at the Olympic level, because you need to participate at some of the world class events. At that level only you will participate, and then by winning or by getting or by being the runners up or by participating in some of the world class event, then only you can qualify to participate at the Olympic level nowadays. But in those days, the athletes whose names have been recommended by the government of the country, those athletes were participating in Olympic level. But nowadays things have been changed. you need to qualify for the Olympic round, for the Olympic level. Otherwise, you cannot be allowed to participate at the Olympic level. But in those days, things were different. So Adolf Hitler, what he did, he actually kept the identity of Lodz Long secret. He never allowed Lodz Long to participate at any world class event. That's why Jesuits did not have any idea about Lodz Long. There only he came across his athletic skill. He found that he was a newcomer, but he was quite capable to beat the world record, because the athlete who is covering the distance quite equaling the world record in the final rounds, when he would give his best, definitely he was capable to break the world record to come out first. That's why this was the evil intention that was there in the mind of Adolf Hitler. He thought that Lodz Long should not be known to the world community. That's why he was not allowed to participate at any world class event. Directly he was fielded in the Olympic event. And that is the reason why Jesuits did not have any idea about Lodz Long. So I was told Hitler had. So Hitler kept him secret, hoping that that means it was the evil intention of Adolf Hitler. He hoped that Lodz Long should be directly fielded at the Olympic level, and hence there he would beat the world champion, Jesuits. I suppose that if Lodz, things are clear, that means whether you understood this or not, so far as this third paragraph of Unit 1 is concerned. That means Adolf Hitler actually kept the identity of Lodz Long secret in a very evil manner. That means he had some evil intention. Who? Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler had some evil intention by keeping the identity of Lodz Long a secret. Why? Because he thought that if Lodz Long would made known to the world community, then others would become aware. They would try to enhance their athletic skill. Maybe this one. That's why what he thought, he kept the identity of Lodz Long secret. He never allowed Lodz Long to participate in any world class event. Directly he was fielded at the Olympic level, and Adolf Hitler quite evilishly, that is in a very evil manner. Now Adolf Hitler thought that Lodz Long would directly be allowed to participate at the Olympic level, and hence he would win the gold medal. I suppose that, suppose means to think that something is true. Something is true. So I suppose that if long means Lodz Long, it would add some new support. That's why long, Long, long is written with or started with a capital letter, suggesting that it is a proper noun. It is the name of Lodz Long. I suppose that if long own, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. That means here our writer believed that means Jesuits believed that in this case, if Lodz Long managed to win the gold medal in the long jump event, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. Previously, we have already discussed about the Aryan superiority theory, the master race. That means they thought that Nazi means what? Nazi actually NSDAP, it was the political party of Adolf Hitler. The members or the people who were members of the political party belonging to Adolf Hitler were known as Nazi. And now the people in Germany, they believed that Germans were the master race and they were the superior because they were the Aryans. This is the Aryan superiority theory. Aryan superiority theory means Germans believed that Germans were the Aryans and Aryans belong to the master race. They were actually they were the best ever race in the world. And now Jesuits knew that if Lodz Long managed to win the gold medal, if Lodz Long managed to win the gold medal in the long jump, it would definitely establish the Aryan superiority theory as a true theory. That means the way Germans believed that sorry, the way Adolf Hitler advocated the Aryan superior theory or the master race theory, saying that what Adolf Hitler said, previously I told you when I was telling you about the master race, they believed that Germans were the real Aryans and Aryans were the power of the civilization, and hence Germans being the Aryans, they were the master race, they were the real Aryans, and hence they were superior to all other races in the world. So now Jesuits think that, Jesuits thought that if Lodz Long managed to win the gold medal in the long jump event, then it would establish the Aryan superiority theory. People worldwide would definitely believe that really Aryans were superior to all other races. Why? Because despite the presence of the world record holder in the form of Jesuits, if Lodz Long win the gold medal in the in the long jump event, then it would establish or it would reveal that Aryans were really superior to all other races. It made Jesuits angry. After all, I am a Negro. After all is something, check here, after all is something that we use to say that what we said before it is right. In that case, we use after all. After all is used to say that what previously we have mentioned are true. So here after all I am a Negro means, you know, if someone is telling about the higher caste, the people belonging to lower caste would definitely feel insulted. The more a person will say that I am a Brahmin, I am a Brahmin, I am a Brahmin, I can do this one, I am capable to do this, etc. People belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or to lower caste, they will definitely feel insulted. Similarly now, because Adolf Hitler advocated Aryan superiority theory and our writer Jesuits was a Negro, obviously at the bottom half of the racial hierarchy. In the previous class or previous video, I was telling you about the racial hierarchy, and if the Aryans are here, then the Negroes are at the bottom half of the racial hierarchy. And because Adolf Hitler was advocating the superiority of the Aryan race and belonging to the lower ladder or lower section of the racial hierarchy, Jesuits, because he was one Negro, definitely he was feeling insulted. That's why he mentioned here also, after all I am a Negro. A little hot under the collar. Hot under the collar means got angry. Hot under the collar means hot under the collar means angry. A little hot under the collar means now he got angry. He got angry about Hitler's ways. Ways means manner. Ways means manner. A little hot under the collar means now that means he was angry towards the manner of Hitler. What are the manners of Hitler? Hitler was advocating Aryan superiority theory. Hitler was saying that Germans belong to the master race. Hitler was saying that German athletes were superior to all other athletes in the world. That's why it actually made our writer angry. Jesuits got angry. I determined means took the firm decision. Determined means took the firm decision. So now our writer Jesuits took the firm decision to go out there. To go out there means to go out to the athletic arena and really show Der Führer. Der Führer means it is one German language. Der means the, Führer means the leader. Führer means leader. The leader. This phrase actually it was exclusively used to address Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was greatly revered by this expression. People were showing their reverence, people were showing their heartfelt reverence, people were showing their heartfelt respect or prestige to Adolf Hitler by using this one, by addressing him, saying Der Führer, that means the leader. The leader means Adolf Hitler. Now, Jesse Owens took the firm decision that he would go to the athletic arena, that means to the field, and really show Adolf Hitler. Der Führer here means the leader, that means Adolf Hitler, and his master race, that means all other Germans who was superior and who was not. That means now Jesse Owens got angry and he took the firm decision to come out to the athletic arena. There, by dint of his hard work and because he was one athlete with some champion skill, he was one master class athlete, he was one world class athlete. So now he said that he was a Negro and Lodz was one German, Lodz was one Aryan and he was one Negro. Still then, now he would go out to the field and there he would show or he would prove a point to Adolf Hitler. By winning the gold medal in the long jump event, he would prove a point to Adolf Hitler. He would show that Negroes were no inferior to the Aryans. So this was that means now we have completed unit 1. In the next class we will start unit 2. I hope you will enjoy the video. Watch the video carefully and again and again. Okay, thank you all for listening to me. Again thank you.